Welcome to Mountain Brook Farm. My name is Wade Belter, and I would like to talk to you about our Holland Lops. Currently, we are trying to preserve the bloodline of one of our rabbits, which is Peachy Buns Vegas. Uh, it is a chestnut Holland Lop, and what you see here in this video is a chestnut Holland Lop doe. And this is Mountain Brook Georgina, and she is just weaned at 1 month 13 days old. I just brought her out into the porch rabbitry, so I'm very nervous about this whole thing, and I'm waiting and watching, concerned about the temperature out there and how she will do. But she was an only kit that was raised in her litter, and she is just like a little hand toy. I mean, she is nothing but a little love muffin. I mean, I don't know what else to say. But her mother is currently approaching a Kindle date because she was bred back to a blue-eyed white to confirm clean lines. The white spot on the front left toe is questionable. I mean, we're trying to discover what is happening here. Is this a Vienna gene, or is this just simply the white spot gene that popped up in breeding? So we're trying to figure things out for Georgina. Now let's look down at Mountain Brook Poker Alice. She is inbreeding with Mountain Brook Jasper and Mountain Brook Kitty. What is interesting is that between those two siblings, the one thing that is different is the sire, but yet it's from the same bloodline. It was two brothers, so you have Whistle Pop and you also have Mountain Brook Razzles. But if you look at the pedigree, you'll be able to see that. So I really like the wide variety you get from breeding siblings. I mean, in most cases, what you prefer to do is breed parents to the children, to specifically breed a specific trait. And right here what we have is, this is Mountain Brook Jasper and Mountain Brook Kitty. This is siblings, and we are inbreeding these two for future litter because we are preserving a bloodline, and it is the Peachy Buns Vegas bloodline. This is the bloodline that puts your Holland Lop rabbit in the correct weight category and type. Breeding Holland Lops is incredibly challenging. The temperature is like 74 degrees, 73 or 74 degrees. And we've got the window open and the front porch door open to let some breeze in. And we're going to keep a very close eye on Georgina and make sure that she is in a good temperature, because right now that's really the key, is diet and temperature. So she can get to her rabbit pellets right there, and she's got her water low, and that's about it. Thank you so much for following along. We really appreciate you checking out our videos, and thank you so much. Goodbye.